Hey guys, it's Caleb from ZippyKnights, and today I'm going to show you the Amazon Echo Plus. So let's unbox this already and see what's inside. This was something actually exciting for us, so I thought we would make a video on this for you guys. And it just pops out right like that. Okay, let's turn this open some more. It looks like there's some like blue foam or something. Also has this thingy and this thingy.
What is that? Some sort of instruction book? What? Oh yeah, it looks like a little instruction book.
Yep. Let me see. Yep, these are the instructions, and see what this is. That's
More of the same.
yeah, they're pretty much the same. Some random thing. So here it is. I thought it would be smaller, but it's actually pretty big.
Okay, is there anything else in the box, Caleb?
Let's see. Oh, there is.
Yeah, you don't need those boxes anymore.
Um,
Let's see what we got. Can you pull these cords out?
it's a plug-in, so like to plug it in. So let's open up this thingy. Right back there, that's where we're gonna
In this little
put it
piece
in.
here, show them how to do that.
And this can like spin around. This is, you either want no sound. The blue thing up there is how much your sound is, or something. It looks like there's a lot of the speaker, and then it also has the Amazon logo.
All right, do you want to take it upstairs and test it out? Show mommy.
All right, see you upstairs. Let's go.
Our mom just downloaded the Alexa app, and Caleb is going to tell you a little bit of how it works.
So there's a power button and a microphone button.
If you don't want Alexa listening to you.
Yeah, don't want Alexa listening to you.
Okay, so we've had her for about a week now, and now we're going to ask her some questions. You ready? Alexa, why is 6 afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9.
Why don't you ask her a question?
Alexa, do you like Frozen?
I don't have an opinion on that.
That was the awkward question.
Alexa, Marco.
Polo.
Alexa, who is the fairest of them all?
More fair by far are you than all, so says this mirror on the wall.
Alexa, I am your father.
No! That's not true. That's impossible.
Alexa, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
Alexa,
Yes.
these aren't the droids you're looking for.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
Alexa, may the force be with you.
And may the force be with you, always.
Alexa, do you want to build a snowman?
Come on, let's go and play.
All right, I think now I said a question.
Okay.
Alexa, what's your favorite Star Wars movie?
The Empire Strikes Back is my favorite.
Yes,
It was impressive. Most impressive.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so if you don't want her listening to you, you can press the noise button at the top. And to know that it's off, this and the button will turn red. So let's turn her back on. Now, this thing around the top can...
What I can do is turn down the volume.
All right, Alexa, recite the Declaration of Independence.
The Declaration of Independence of the United States begins the unanimous declaration of the 13 United States of America, when in the course of human events, it becomes necessary for one people
Alexa,
to dissolve the political ban.
Stop. There you go. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.